Woo! How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today, which I talked about in a previous videos and all that kind of stuff, we're going to be getting some hikes going on. So today we are at Sandy Bottom Nature Park. It is next to the interstate, so the interstate's right out there. Big pond right here. This is the only one you're allowed to fish out of, which is kind of sucks because it's like the only place you're allowed to fish is off of that pier right there. I guess if you had a boat, you can go out there too with the boat, but for the most part, all you're allowed to do is basically fish in that pond. There's a lot of ponds here that you can fish in, which we're gonna go for a little walk. We might walk around one or two. It's hard to say. So let me go ahead, put my chest mount on, and we're gonna walk around for a minute. Whew. So it is a nice day out today. It's a little windy, but it's just nice. So like I said, you got this pond over here. Even though there's spots that you can go, you know, there's piers and all this kind of stuff all around this pond over here, you're only allowed to fish off that one spot, and you're only allowed to fish off that pier. Now on this side, here's a pond right here. Now, so basically there's three ponds. So there's one on the right, one in the middle, and one on the far side. I know back in the days, you used to be able to fish in all of them. And then, I don't know why they stopped, but I have walked out here before. Me and my daughter have came out and walked, and there's plenty of fish in here. I mean, I've gone down to the bank before and you can just see them swimming. But like, there used to be places like this where you could just walk out to the water, which we will, and just fish right off right here. Even though this is the fishing pond, big old sign right there, no fishing. And like, this was a while ago, like, I don't know, about a year ago, you know, me and my son did a camping video here, and we were over in the camping spot, but it's like, you can walk right up to the water next to there, and there was like literally fish that were about a foot long or so down in the water on the third pond over that way. And I know there's more, like there's ponds that are back that way that I've never walked that far, but I know they're back there. No fishing in this lake. City code 2635, whatever that is. Which kind of sucks. But whatever. Squirrel. I've came here and, you know, walked around quite a few times. I've never made it all the way to the back in the back corner. One day I might. I just know that I think the big loop, which takes you way back around that way, it's like a 5-mile hike, which I mean isn't bad, but actually today would be a good day to do it. I just don't feel like it. It's a little cool out. That's why I say it'd be a good day to do it, just because it's cool and you wouldn't get overheated, but I just really don't feel like it. Maybe another day we'll come and do the big 5-mile like loop. See how long that takes us. But I do like this park. It's nice, it's peaceful, besides the road noise, but besides that, it's just a nice peaceful park. And here's where you can cut in between the one pond. So again, 1 pond over there, 2 pond, and 3 pond. Water's really low. Because I mean, there's a little island in the middle there. Yeah, water's low. Last time I was here, that wasn't there, and there was water going through here and under the bridge, and basically connecting the two. But like I said, need to get out, explore nature. That's what some of my fishing videos are for, just to be out and exploring nature. But at the same time, that's what hikes are for too. I like this path right here because it's just a little narrow path. You're surrounded by a lake on both sides, and a lot of people don't walk this path. They kind of go around and all that kind of stuff. The one, I'm not saying the big loop, but it's a nice size loop. But yeah, this right here used to be a good fishing pond right here. Lots of fish in this. And the camping spot is right on the other side of the pond over there. It's overcast today. It's been on and off sprinkling. It rained like crazy yesterday. Now today it's just on and off sprinkling. There's some ducks out there. I'll say it's a nice pond. It'd be lovely to fish in here. But they don't allow it. So nice and peaceful. There is another hike. Well, I mean, I'm going to try to get into a couple of these, but I want to get another hike going. I don't know. It might be next Wednesday's video. It's hard to say right now. I got this one spot that I want to check out. Not just for a hike, but for fishing purposes. But I know it's a hike, so all in time. guess we'll just call it a day on the video. I'm not gonna bore you with my whole hike, you know, where I'm gonna be hiking all the way around this whole thing, because I'm gonna go around this and then around that pond and then back out basically where I came in. So we're not gonna bore you with the whole hike, because, you know, that's probably gonna be another half hour. So we'll end it here, I guess. Stay tuned for next Wednesday's outdoor video. Who knows what we'll be getting into, so catch you then.